baby. Hi, it's your first Christmas. It's your first. What am I doing up at midnight? Yes. Why am I up at midnight?
No, always up at midnight. Always up at midnight.
Really, Mabel? You gonna push me over, Mabel? Right,
Are you on that?
what is it?
You taste and told me.
Yes, you are. You're an actor.
Let's go.
Yeah?
Oh, I always wanted to work with them.
Oh!
Awesome.
Yummy stuff going down in the kitchen. I'm gonna be fat by tomorrow morning.
What are you making, Grandma?
Oh, let me show you guys something. Let me show you something. So, I have stuff in this cup. Close the door, man. Close the door for me. Come. My husband is barbecuing.
Oh, wait, you want this? You ready?
Oh.
We got some lamb.
Yes, they're going. Right there.
If you want to keep your feet warm, all you do is tuck it underneath a little bit, and your feet are warm.
Got fire going there?
You guys have to edit that music out, because
I know.
they're going to be like,
I know.
And this Christmas will be. I think it's the whole totally wrong song, but
It is. It is.
no, hold on, watch. Oh yeah, that's what I was gonna say. And this Christmas.
This is good.
You like it?
I'll catch up with y'all later. I'll catch up with y'all later. Because the night is about to get very interesting. Very
You got some
interesting.
Cavassier.
He has Cavassier.
Some Cavassier.
I, on the other hand, is a question. I'm a question, okay? I don't drink that stuff, so.
Person
Two. Keyword, two.
It's almost time.
Feliz Navidad! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Why is your dad yelling, man?
Feliz Navidad! Hey!
This is my second time being woken up. Oh!
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
It's like midnight before. It's like midnight on Thursday. baby. Hi, it's your first Christmas.
Yes.
It's your first. What am I doing up at midnight? Yes. Why am I up at midnight?
So I'm always up at midnight. I'm always up at midnight. What are you talking about? This is my time. This is my time right here. What? What?
What's up?